Alright, so this morning, 1970 Nova, we're going to unpack the garage. Hopefully the rain holds off and try to get the LS motor into the car for a test fit. More to come very soon. Alright, first attempt putting the engine into the car. See how this goes. Should go pretty much right in for the most part. Crap out of the way. That should be good. Those wires won't really be in the way. That was fun. Hey, engine is off the stand. Should be pretty close right there. Actually, it might be just perfect. Thank you. Alright. I think that's going to be good. I think that's going to be really good. We're close. I have to come over to the left a little bit. I'm gonna have to move that oil. There we go. That sounded nice. That's basically in.
Nice car.
Thank you. See if we can find the motor mount bolts real quick. Ooh, that went in nice. I'm going to put one in for today. Don't really see why we need two. Just want to kind of get an idea of what this looks like. go take a walk. But she's in. And obviously the intake manifold will go on top. Got plenty of room for everything. Jeez. That's gonna be nice. I have room on the clear. I have room on the firewall. That's good. Damn. It's gonna fit nice. Well, I'm happy. Now I get to pull it all the way back out again and put it back on the engine stand. But we know it's gonna fit. Test fit was successful. That went really well. I'm gonna move this. Maybe I'll get a new valve cover. Or maybe I'll get a smaller one because it's all the way in the back. I wonder if I could flip them around. I wonder if I could just take this, put it here. I don't see why not. Or maybe I take this, put it on that side in the rear. Now then that would be on the outside. I'll have to figure that one out. But all in all, that's a good test fit. Plenty of room for everything. Well, one step done. More to come. Stay tuned.